Alright, y'all, so to begin, I am going to pre-part her hair. When I pre-part hair, I feel like that makes the braiding process a lot faster. So I'm just going in and just pre-parting the sections before we start to go in and start the knotless process. For the style that she wanted, I felt like the knotless was going to take longer, so I decided to do that part first and get out the way. So you'll see me do the knotless part first, and then once we get to the top part, I tried to fulfill the design that she wanted. It was a little bit harder with my nails on, and one part that you did not see is I ended up popping off my nails. I did a pop-off method for these nails, so it was easy for me to take them off. I thought I was going to be able to do the nails, do her hair with my nails on, but I was not feeling when I was at the top part, so I ended up just popping them off. So you're going to see me do the knotless in the back, and then we're going to complete the top part last. When I'm doing the knotless, I try to do the brick style, or which I call brick, where it's like box out layer, where you alternate the boxes so that the braids lay between the spaces. And so I pre-part and I pre-section it out so that way I can just flow easier and just make this process as fast as seamless as possible. So that's what you see me doing here, and just watching this video, like, when you prep the parting, it looks so good, and it just makes it an easier braiding process. So here we are at the front, and I do braid some of the hair in the front with my nails, and I will try to include a picture of the style she wanted to compare. Well, actually, you'll see it on the you see it on the thumbnail, but yeah, I do like how it turned out. It's different for her. She's not normally getting her hair done like this, so I think it was different for her, but it's always good to try something new. That way you can say, like, this is for me, or I don't like this style, or I like this but I'll do this, but overall I think it turned out for my first time trying this type of style. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do and make it this to the end of the video, definitely don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so y'all not missing any of my uploads, and just continue to watch the video. This is when I knew my nails were doing too much. When I normally I couldn't grip hair, okay? And when I was struggling to grip that, I just like, oh yeah, it's about, I was like, oh, it was bothering me. Like this braid right here, I didn't even finish it. That's why I went to the next part, because it was like what I normally know I can do, I wasn't given. And I'm just a person that I like things to be a certain way, that it didn't turn out that way. But overall, nonetheless, it still turned out good.